Here in this lecture, we are going to discuss about a problem on Fourier series method of designing FIR filters. Here, design an ideal low-pass filter with a frequency response HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for minus pi by 2 less than or equal to omega less than or equal pi by 2 it is. Here, which is equal to 0, pi by 2 less than or equal mod omega less than or equal to pi it is. Here, find the values of h of n for capital N is equal to 11. Here, plot the magnitude response it is. Here by this method we are determining the impulse response of FIR filters. Here, what is the impulse response of the FIR filter? It is of causal impulse response. It is causal impulse response. Here, this impulse response containing what? Capital N samples. Here means it is defined from n is equal to 0 to 10 it is. N is equal to 0 to 10. Here how we can determine h of n? By using Fourier series method it is. Here steps, what are the steps to design the steps to obtain the impulse response of FIR filter from the given specifications of the filter it is. Here HD of e power j omega is given. Here first step is what? In the first step we are determining the HD of n it is. Here this HD of n is the infinite duration sequence it is. Here actually this we are obtaining HD of n from the HD of e power j omega it is. That is given. From this specifications we are determining the HD of n. Here we are determining HD of n. This HD of n is symmetrical about what? Alpha is equal to 0 it is. And it is of infinite duration. It is of infinite duration it is. Here how we can calculate, means the HD of n satisfies what? Symmetry condition it is. What is the symmetry condition? HD of n is equal to HD of minus n it is. Here means the satisfies the symmetry. Actually HD of n satisfies the symmetry condition. Here means it is symmetrical about the alpha is equal to HD of n is symmetrical about the alpha is equal to 0 it is. Here mean first we are determining what? In the first step we are determining HD of n from the HD of e power j omega. Here this is the graphical representation of HD of e power j omega it is. Here HD of e power j omega is equal to 1 for minus omega ranging from what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 HD of e power j omega is 1 and it is HD of e power j omega is 0 for pi by 2 less than or equal to mod omega less than or equal to pi. This means minus, here mod omega may be positive value or negative value. Means for this omega value HD of e power j omega is 0. Means here minus pi by 2 to minus pi 0 and pi by 2 to pi 0 it is. HD of e power j omega is 0 it is. Here now we are determining the HD of n. Here how to determine the HD of n? Formula is there it is. Here it is calculated by using this formula it is. Here HD of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi integral minus pi to pi HD of e power j omega into e power j omega n d omega. Here from the definition of HD of e power j omega, here the lower limit is replaced by what? Means HD of e power j omega is 1 for defined values of HD of e power j omega. Here we are replacing the lower limit and the upper limit of the integration it is. Here from the definition of HD of e power j omega, the lower limit of this integral is replaced by what? Minus pi by 2 and the upper limit of this integration is replaced by what? Pi by 2 it is. Here in this interval hd of e power j omega is what? 1 it is into e power j omega n d omega it is. Here hd of n is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Here integration of e power j omega n is what? E power with respect to omega it is. Here e power j omega n by j n it is. Here limits minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now we are applying the upper limit and the lower limit it is. Here constant term is what? 1 by 2 pi jn is the constant term. Here in this term we are substituting upper limit and the lower limit it is. First we are applying the upper limit it is. Here in place of omega it is. Here e power j pi by 2 n for upper limit it is, minus for lower limit minus the lower limit it is, minus e power minus j pi by 2 n it is. Here I am taking this 2j. Here I am dividing this with what? This 2j it is. Here means remaining term here is what? 1 by pi n of e power j pi by 2 n minus e power minus j pi by 2 n by 2j it is. Here this is of the form e power j theta minus e power minus j theta by 2j it is. Here which is equal to what? Sin theta it is. Theta is equal to what here? Pi by 2 n it is. It means sin pi by 2 n into n, pi by 2 n, sin pi by 2 n by pi n it is. Here this is the actually impulse response is what? Infinite duration. Means hd of n is equal to what? Sin pi by 2 n by pi n minus infinity to plus infinity it is. Minus infinity less than or equal, n less than or equal, plus infinity it is. Here this is our hd of n it is. Here now we are determining the h of n. H of n for capital N is equal to 11 it is. H of n for capital N is equal to 11 it is. Actually for this case the impulse response, this h of n is non-causal sequence it is. It is of non-causal sequence. Here h of n is equal to what? Means we are truncating this hd of n about 5 minus 5 to 5 it is. Here n is between minus 5 to 5 it is. Here h of n is equal to what? Actually the impulse response is what? hd of n is symmetrical about alpha is equal to 0 it is. Here means we are considering for capital N is equal to 11. What is the h of n? This h of n is non-causal sequence it is. Here h of n is equal to what? We are determining it from what? hd of n. This hd of n is, it is defined here n equal to 11 mod n less than or equal to 5 it is. Means minus 5 to, this means what? Minus 5 to plus 5 it is equal to 0 remaining values it is. Here means h of n is equal to what? hd of n. hd of n means sin pi by 2 n by pi n mod n less than or equal to 5 is equal to 0, otherwise it is. Here now we are determining the impulse response corresponding to n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here actually this hd of n is symmetrical about alpha is equal to 0. Means hd of n is equal to hd of minus n. Means h of 1 is, h of 1 we are calculating. Means n is equal to 1. H of 1 is equal to what? H of minus 1 it is. Similarly n is equal to 2. Here h of 2 is equal to what? H of minus 2 it is. From the symmetrical impulse response hd of n it is. Okay. Here first we are determining n is equal to 0. For n is equal to 0. Here n is equal to 0. Here h of 0. h of 0 is equal to what? Here we are taking limit n tends to 0 sin pi by 2 n by pi n. I am multiplying it with 1 by 2 and dividing with 1 by 2 it is. This of the form it is. Here limit n tends to 0 limit theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta form it is. This value is what? 1 it is. Here h of 0 is equal to what? 1 by 2 it is. 1 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5 it is. Here now we are determining it for n is equal to 1. Means h of 1. Here h of 1 is equal to what? From this equation we are determining. H of 1 is equal to what? Here sin pi by 2 into 1 it is. By pi into 1. Actually HD of n is symmetrical. Symmetrical about alpha is equal to 0 it is. N is equal to 0. Simply n is equal to 0 it is. Means HD of n satisfies what? The condition, symmetry condition. HD of n is equal to HD of minus n it is. That means h of minus 1 is equal to h of 1. Here which is equal to what? Here sin pi by 2 is 1 it is. By pi. 1 by pi value is 0.3183 it is. Similarly we are determining h of 2 which is equal to h of minus 2. Here which is equal to what? Sin pi by 2 into pi by 2 into n. N value is 2 by 2 pi it is. Here 2 get cancelled. Sin pi is 0 it is. Sin pi is 0. Here 0 by 2 pi is 0 it is. Here h of 2 is equal to h of minus 2 is equal to what? 0 it is. Similarly we are calculating the h of 3. H of 3 is equal to what? H of minus 3. Here which is equal to sin 3 pi by 2 by 3 pi it is. Here sin 3 pi by 2 value is minus 1 it is. Here minus 1 by 3 pi it is. Here minus 1 by 3 pi value is what? 0.106 it is. Here similarly we are determining the h of 4 here which is equal to h of minus 4, that is equal to sin 4 pi by 2 from this equation. Sin 4 pi by 2 by 4 pi it is. Here sin 4 pi by 2 means sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi value is 0. 0 by 4 pi is 0 it is. Here h of 4 is equal to h of minus 4 is equal to 0. Similarly n is equal to 5 it is. Here h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5. Here which is equal to sin pi by 2 5 pi by 2 by 5 pi. Here sin 5 pi by 2 value is 1. Here by 5 pi. Here h of 5 is equal to h of minus 5 is equal to 1 by 5 pi value is what? 0.06366 it is. Here now, here this is the impulse response. Impulse response h of n. Here it is of non-causal sequence it is. Non-causal sequence. Here this is the determination of impulse response it is. Determination of impulse response h of n. Here in the next step we are determining what? H of z it is. Here by using what? Fourier series method it is. How we can calculate the h of z of the filter? Here h of z is equal to what? H of 0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2 of h of n into z power minus n plus z power n it is. Here h of 0 is 0.5 it is plus summation n is equal to 1 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Capital N value is what? 11 it is. 11 minus 1 10. 10 by 2 it is. 10 by 2 value is 5 into h of n z power minus n plus z power n it is. We are expanding this for n is equal to 1 to 5 it is. Here 0.5 plus h of 1. N is equal to 1. H of 1 z power minus 1 plus z power 1 it is, plus n is equal to 2. H of 2 plus z power minus 2 plus z power 2 it is, plus n is equal to 3. H of 3 into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 plus n is equal to 4. H of 4 into z power minus 4 plus z power 4 plus n is equal to 5. Here h of 5 into z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here already we are calculating h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 values it is. Substituting those values in this equation. Here already we are substituting h of 0 value it is. Here we are substituting h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5 in this equation. In h of z it is. In this equation. Here h of z is equal to what? 0.5 plus h of 1 value is what? Here 0.3183. 0.3183 of z power minus 1 plus z plus h of 2. H of 2 value is minus 0.106 into z power here h of 2 value is what? H of 2 value is 0. H of 2 value is 0. Here 0 into z power minus 2 plus z power 2 is what? 0 it is. Similarly, substituting h of 3 value is what? Minus 0.106 minus 0.106 into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 it is, plus h of 4 value is what? 0 into this one is 0 it is, plus h of 5 value is what? 0.06366. Here 0.0636 into z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here now actually this h of z is not physically realizable one it is. To obtain physical realizable system means causal, it is a non-causal filter it is. Non-causal filter. To obtain causal filter, to get the causal filter it is. Here this h of z is how to obtain a causal filter? Multiplying this h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Means to obtain causal filter, h dash of z is the causal filter it is. To obtain this causal filter by multiplying this h of z with what? Z power minus capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here we are determining it for what? Capital N is equal to what? 11 it is. Here means we are multiplying this h of z with what? Here n is equal to 11 minus 1 by 2, 10 by 2 it is. Here means z power minus 5. Here z power minus 5 into h of z it is. Here z power minus 5 into h of z. This is our h of z it is. Here 0.5 plus 0.3183 of z power minus 1 plus z plus into minus 0.106 of z power into z power minus 3 plus z power 3 it is, plus 0.06366 of z power minus 5 plus z power 5 it is. Here we are multiplying this z power minus 5 with all the terms it is. Here z power minus 5 into 0.5. 0.5 z power minus 5 it is. This 0.3183 multiplied with z power minus 1. Here this term is multiplied with z power minus 5. Here means 0.3183 into z power minus 5 into z power minus 1. Here z power minus 6 it is, plus 0.3183 into z power minus 5 into z power minus 4 it is. Z power minus 4 minus 0.106 multiplied with z power minus 3 into z power minus 3 it is. Here z power minus 5 into z power minus 3, z power minus 8 it is. Similarly, minus 0.106 into z power 3 into z power minus 5 it is. Here z power minus 5 into z power 3 is what? Z power minus 2 it is. Here next point z power minus 5 is multiplied with 0.0636 into z power minus 5 into z power minus 5 it is. Here means 0.6366 into z power minus 5 into z power minus 5, z power minus 10 it is, plus 0.06366 into z power minus 5 into z power 5, z power 0. Z power 0 value is 1 it is. Means it is 0.06366 it is. Here this is h dash of z is equal to h dash of z is equal to, I am writing it in terms of what? Constant term z power minus 1, z power minus 2, z power minus 3, z power minus 4, z power minus 5, z power minus 6, z power minus 5, z power minus 6, z power minus 7, z power minus 8, z power minus 9, z power minus 10 order. Here h dash of z, here we are, from this we are determining what? Impulse response it is. Here that impulse response is what? That impulse response is of, that is the impulse response of FIR filter it is. That is the impulse response of FIR filter. From this h dash of z we are determining impulse response. Actually h of 0, we are comparing this h dash of z. How to calculate h dash of z? Summation n is equal to 0 to, here actually it is from 0 to 10, 0 to 10, 0 to 10 h of n into z power minus n form it is. Here n is equal to 0 means constant term it is. Here n is equal to 1 means h of 1 into z power minus 1, n is equal to 2 means h of 2 into z power minus 2 it is. Here now we are observing the coefficients of negative power in z it is. Here comparing this equation with this equation it is. Here n is equal to 0 means h of 0 it is. H of 0 into z power 0. Z power 0 is 1 it is. Here h of 0. Here similarly n is equal to 10. H of 10 into z power minus 10 it is. Observe these two values. H of 0 and h of 10 values are equal it is. H of 0 is equal to h of 10 it is. That is equal to what? 0.06366 it is. Similarly h of 1, n is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. Here h of 1 into z power minus 1. Here z power minus 1 quotient is 0 it is. Similarly n is equal to 9. Here h of 9 into z power minus 9. Z power minus 9 quotient is also 0. Means h of 1 is equal to h of 9. Here the impulse response is what? Symmetrical impulse response. From this we are observing impulse response is symmetrical impulse response it is. Here h of 1 is equal to h of 9 is equal to 0 it is. Similarly h of 2 quotient, h of 2 value is what? Minus, here z power minus 2 quotient it is. N is equal to 2. H of 2 into z power minus 2. Its quotient is what? Minus 0.106. Similarly z power minus 8 quotient is also same it is. Means h of 8. H of 8 is equal to, h of 2 is equal to, h of 8 is equal to minus 0.106. Similarly h of 3. H of 3 and h of 7. Negative z power, here n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 7. H of n is 0 it is. Means h of 3 is equal to h of 7 is equal to 0. Similarly h of 4 quotient. Here h of 4 quotient is same as what? H of 6 quotient it is. Here observe this one. H of 4, h of 6. H of 4 and h of 6 is same. H of 4 and h of 6 is same. Here it is a quotient of for n is equal to 4 and n is equal to 6 it is. Here h of 4 is equal to h of 6, that is equal to 0.3183. Similarly h of 5 is equal to what? Z power minus 5 quotient it is, that is 0.5. Here from this impulse response, the impulse response is what? Symmetrical about it is this impulse response. H of n is what? From this we are observing what? The impulse response is symmetrical impulse response. The impulse response is symmetrical impulse response. this impulse response is symmetrical about what? Alpha value. Alpha is equal to capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here capital N is what? 11. Here 11 minus 1 by 2 means 10 by 2, 5. Here h of 5 means the impulse response is symmetrical about this value it is. Okay, for capital N odd, it is capital N is what? Odd it is. Here h of n is symmetrical impulse response for capital N odd. Here this is the impulse response of the determination of impulse response of the system it is. Here one more term we are calculating. What is that? We are determining what? Plot the magnitude response. Plot the magnitude response. From this impulse response, here we are determining the magnitude response of the FIR filter it is. Causal FIR filter. Here the impulse response is what? Symmetrical about the alpha for capital N odd it is. Here how to determine, first of all we are determining the frequency response of FIR filter it is. Here how to determine frequency response of FIR filter for symmetrical impulse response capital N odd it is. Capital N odd. Here this is the impulse response it is. Okay, this impulse response is symmetrical about what? 5. Symmetrical about fifth sample it is. Fifth sample. Therefore means now we are determining the frequency response of this impulse response. If the impulse response is symmetrical about capital N is equal to 11 it is. Means capital N is odd it is. Here how to calculate the frequency response for this case? Here h of e power j omega is equal to what? E power minus j omega of capital N minus 1 by 2 summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n it is. Here how to calculate the h bar of e power j omega? We are determining what? Magnitude response it is. Means we are what is the magnitude of h of e power j omega? Magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega. Here it is calculated by using this formula it is. Here some h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2 a of n cos omega n. Here how to calculate here for this case how a naught is calculated as by using this formula it is a naught a of 0 is equal to h of capital N minus 1 by 2. Here a n is calculated by using this formula. A of n is equal to 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. Okay, now magnitude of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here we are plotting the magnitude response it is. Here from that h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Summation n is equal to 0 to capital N minus 1 by 2. Capital N is what? 11. 11 minus 1 by 2, 5. Here a of n cos omega n it is. Here from here h bar of we are expanding this one it is. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? N is equal to 0 to 5. We are expanding this one. Here a of 0 cos 0 is 1 it is plus a of 1 cos omega plus a of 2 cos 2 omega plus a of 3 cos 3 omega plus a of 4 cos 4 omega plus a of 5 cos 5 omega it is. Here now we are calculating the a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4, a of 5 it is. Here how we can calculate the a of 0? Here it is calculated by using the formula. What is the formula? H of capital N minus 1 by 2 it is. Here which is equal to what? 11 minus 1 by 2. Capital N minus 1 by 2 value is 5. Here h of 5 is equal to what? Already we are calculating the h of 5 for this impulse response. H of 5 is equal to what? 0.5 it is. 0.5. Here similarly we are calculating the a of 1. How to calculate the a of 1? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. From the a of n we are calculating. How we can calculate a of n? A of n is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 minus n it is. Okay. Here a of 1, n is equal to 1. A of 1 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 value is what? 5. 5 minus 1. That means 2 into h of 4. Here 2 into h of 4 value is what? From the impulse response. What is the h of 4? H of 4 is equal to what? 0.3183. 0.3183 it is. Here a of 1 is equal to 0.6366. Similarly, we are calculating a of 2. A of 2 is equal to what? 2 into h of 5 minus 2. N is equal to 2. Small n is equal to 2 it is. Here 2 into h of 3. H of 3 value is what? 0 it is. Here 2 into 0. 0 it is. A of 2 value is 0 it is. Similarly, a of 3. A of 3 is equal to what? 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 value is 5. Small n value is 3 it is equal to 2 into h of 3. Here 2 into h of 3 value is what? Minus 0.106. Here a of 3 is equal to minus 0.212 it is. Similarly, a of 4 is equal to 2 into h of capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus n value is what? 4 it is. Small n value is 4 is equal to 2 into h of 1. 2 into h of 1 value is 0. It is equal to 0. A of 4 value is 0. Similarly, a of 5 is equal to 2 into h of 5 minus capital N minus 1 by 2 is 5 minus small n value is 5. 5 minus 5. 2 into h of 0. 2 into h of 0 value is what? 0.06366. Here a of 5 is equal to 0.127. Here now we are substituting A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 values in this equation. In the box. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? A of 0 is 0.5 plus A of 1 value is 0.6366 cos omega plus A of 2 value is 0. Here 0 into cos 2 omega. Here A of 2 value is 0. 0 into cos 2 omega. Here A of 3 into A of 3 value is what? Plus minus of minus 0.212 into cos 3 omega plus A of 4. A of 4 is 0. 0 into cos 4 omega plus A of 5 is what? 0.127 cos 5 omega it is. Here h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? 0.5 plus 0.636 cos omega. 0 into cos 2 omega is 0. Plus into minus minus 0.212 cos 3 omega. Cos 3 omega. 0 in plus 0 into cos 4 omega value is 0 plus 0.127 cos 5 omega it is. Cos 5 omega. Here now this is the h bar of e power j omega. Here now we are determining what? Magnitude response. Magnitude of h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Mod of h bar of e power j omega it is. Here which is equal to what? This value, same value it is. It is a real value it is. Imaginary part is 0. Actually, mod of h bar of e power j omega is equal to what? Real part square, square root of real part square minus imaginary part square. Here this is our real part. Here square root of real part square. Square root get cancel it is. Here mod of h of e power j omega is equal to what? Mod of h of e power j omega is equal to mod of h bar of e power j omega, which is equal to what? This value it is. Here now we are determining the magnitude response in decibels it is. Here how to calculate here magnitude of mod of h bar of e power j omega. How to determine mod of h bar of e power j omega? Here magnitude mod of h bar of e power j omega in decibels it is. Here it is calculated by using this formula 20 log of h of e power j omega it is. Here which is equal to 20 log of mod h of e power j omega value is what? 0.5 plus 0.6366 cos omega minus 0.212 cos 3 omega plus 0.127 cos 5 omega it is. Here now we are plotting the magnitude response, decibel magnitude response it is. Here we are plotting magnitude response, magnitude of h of e power j omega versus it is the plot of what? Magnitude of decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega versus frequency omega it is. Here we are varying omega from 0 to pi it is, 0 to 180 degrees it is. Here we are on one column we are taking omega value, and another column we are taking magnitude of h of e power j omega in decibels. Here omega in degrees it is. For every 10 degrees we are calculating the mod of h of e power j omega. In decibels it is, decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega it is. For 0 degrees, here means omega is equal to 0. We are substituting omega is equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, here this value is equal to what? Mod of h of e power j omega is equal to what? 0.4 it is. Similarly 10 degrees. Here omega, we are substituting omega is equal to 10 degrees in this equation. Okay, and simplifying this equation we get the value. This some value it is. That value is equal to what? Mod of h of e power j, decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega, that is 0.21. Every 10 degrees we are calculating. There are different for 20 degrees this value, 30 degrees this value, 40 degrees this one, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180 it is. Here now on y-axis we are taking decibel magnitude of h of e power j omega. On x-axis we are taking omega it is. Here we are for every value of omega we are marking the points points. Okay, marking the points. It is 0 frequency. The magnitude is 0.14 it is, 0.4 it is. The magnitude is 0.4. Here approximately it is 0, not this value is 0.4. Similarly 0.21, like this it is. We are marking all the points it is, and after marking all those points we are joining all those points by line it is, smooth curve it is. Here this is the magnitude response of decibel magnitude response of FIR filter.